Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for the ultimate pizza dough. You can use this for both thin crust and thick crust pizzas. So to make this, we're going to start with some lukewarm water in a big bowl. Next, go in with salt, sugar, some olive oil or vegetable oil or avocado oil, some dry active yeast, and mix. You want that salt, sugar, and yeast to dissolve. Once dissolved, go in with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm using my dough hook to bring this together. You can use a fork if you like. Bring it together until that flour is incorporated properly. Next, go in with 1/2 cup of flour again and continue mixing. At this point, it will still be sticky and we will need to add 1/2 cup of flour again. In total, I'm using 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to use my hands to help me bring this together. You want to knead this as long as possible, about 5 to 8 minutes. You want that gluten to develop in the flour. You want to have a nice smooth dough. As they say, smooth like a baby's bottom. Once it's well kneaded, form it into a ball and drizzle a little bit of oil again on the surface and pat that oil over the entire surface of the dough to prevent the skin from forming. Cover with plastic wrap, and I'm using the Glad press and seal, and allow it to rest for 15 minutes, after which you can go ahead and roll out your dough. Roll out the dough to the thickness you would like. So here I have some tips for you guys. If you want a nice thin crispy pizza dough or crispy pizza, I would suggest rolling it out, building the pizza and baking it right away. If you wanted a softer pizza crust, I suggest rolling out the dough, allowing it to rest for 10 minutes before building it and putting it into the oven. This makes the difference between a thin crust crunchy pizza and a soft, nice medium pizza. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Make it and let me know. Be sure to check out all of my other pizza recipes utilizing the same dough. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for all of the requests. If you have any future requests, please leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.